Things go boom, flash, splash, and make vibrant colors. The chemistry lab at TRU in Williams Lake is always a good place to find students with an interest in all things chemistry.
Cranberry juice goes.
Cranberry juice drips slowly into a beaker, filtered and ready for an experiment. But these students aren't in university, they are in high school, getting their feet wet in science.
I plan on going to post-secondary next year, and well, I know I'm going to be doing a lot of labs there.
So this will be used as our standard.
This is a chemistry contest, started over 12 years ago by a professor in Kamloops. The contest now reaches schools in cities across BC, including here in Williams Lake, where chemistry professor Marten Lettinga has taken on the program. After a written test, grade 11 and 12 students are set loose in the lab with an experiment to complete.
In essence, we try to find how much of a particular substance, what percent of a particular substance is in a particular sample.
Trying to find the concentration of cranberry juice actually in a cranberry juice drink.
After filtering all of the samples, the budding chemists work to measure the concentration of the juice in various blends using a spectrophotometer.
Well, that particular piece of equipment actually measures the amount of light that's absorbed at a particular wavelength. Visible light ranges over about wavelength of 400 nanometers to 700 nanometers. And we were pretty well right in the middle of that at around 515 nanometers. And that was the right wavelength for the cranberry juice to absorb light. It was not the right wavelength for apple juice, and that's just what we wanted.
Students from 4 Lake City schools took part in the contest, some of which don't have a lab where they can conduct experiments. They say being able to enter a post-secondary setting and get first-hand experience ahead of graduation is key.
More or less giving us experience. If we are to go into that field, we would have something like this. So it's not like we're going into it without any lab experience at all, because at our school we don't do many labs, and if it is, it's just a really simple lab.
From there, many students might consider a career in chemistry, meaning a potential education that could begin at TRU here in Williams Lake.
Coming here and doing these experiments and doing the tests, it gives you an idea of what chemistry is and sort of finding that out if I really want to or not.
The main idea was to get the students here for their practical lab experience. And the written test, again, it's all about participation. So the more chances they get to participate in contests, the more confidence they build up in the sciences.
In Williams Lake, I'm Numsen for Shaw TV.